Hey everyone, it's Michelle and today we are doing a big ol' haul. I'm just gonna show you my recent orders and recent store pickups and what I've bought in the last week because again, makeup addiction is very real in this house. Okay, so from Sephora, I ordered the Summer Sun on the Fly Sephora favorite set. The set retails for $25, the value is $83, and it is packed with a whole bunch of good stuff. To put everything in this cute little bag, I'll lay everything out and show you the sizes of everything so you can get an idea. The Summer Sun on the Fly set includes a Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment, a mini Glow Recipe Pink Juice Watermelon Moisturizer, which is one of my favorites for daytime, the Isle of Paradise Light Self Tanning Drops, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, which I love, a Supergoop Smooth and Poreless Matte Sunscreen with SPF 40, and then a Volition Beauty Prismatic Luminizing Shield with SPF 50. So not sure if that's a primer, but still pretty great set. I think Summer Sun on the Fly describes it well, and I think it is definitely worth the money. With that order, I got a sample of the Drunk Elephant Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. That's a pretty good size sample. I'm gonna try it tonight actually. It doesn't really smell like anything, but this is Drunk Elephant's newest release, so I'm excited to try it and see how it works. Okay, and earlier this week I stopped into Ulta, mostly to redeem my birthday coupon, because you have to do it before the month's over, and I didn't know when else I was gonna get a chance to get out to Ulta. I picked up one of the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks from the Minnie Mouse collection. The shade is Beautiful. This packaging is so stinking adorable. Let's swatch it here. It's just a nice brown nude. Like I needed more of those. During my last Will I Buy It, I mentioned the MAC Aladdin collection and that if I picked up anything, it would probably be one of the lipsticks, the shade Friend Like Me. So I did. The box packaging is very cute and the lipstick packaging is even more beautiful. This shade for me is just like the perfect pinky nude. So hopefully you can see that, but we've got Beautiful from Dose of Colors and then the Friend Like Me. Nothing smells better than a MAC lipstick. Okay, last thing I picked up from Ulta, it was just on a whim because I saw the display. It's from the new Wet n Wild Crystal collection, and the shade of this highlighter is Crystal High. It's limited edition. I picked it up thinking it was a powder, but it's actually a cream, so joke's on me, but it's really beautiful. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but it's stunning, so I'm excited to play around with it, even though I don't typically go for cream products. Okay, and then there's this bad boy, which I opened up already. It's from Benefit Cosmetics. So in Jaclyn Hill's, I want to say April favorites, maybe, no, March favorites, I don't remember. She had mentioned the Benefit's Mini Cheek Leader Squad Bronze Palette, and I went into my Sephora afterward because she raved about it, and I was like, okay, I have to see this thing, and I swatched it, and it was pretty, but it was sold out. And then I was like, oh, I'll just wait until the VIB sale to pick it up from Sephora. Day one, boom, sold out as soon as I logged on. So I was like, okay, apparently it's limited edition. So then I got on Benefit Cosmetics website and I was going to order it from them, but then I didn't want to pay shipping and I was all salty about it. And I'm like, you don't need it, it's fine, whatever. Then, like 2 weeks later, I got an email from Benefit saying, our friends and family sale's coming up, 20% off of everything. And I was like, okay, I see you. So I got it. It was 20% off, and then like that made the shipping free pretty much and gave me like an extra $1 off. So I mean, whatever. Like everything else, the packaging's very cute. Ooh. And then you open it up and it comes with a blush. I believe it's Gold Rush. And then the highlighter shade, which is apparently thebomb.com, is Cookie. And then it comes with the Hoola bronzer. Should we swatch Cookie? I haven't touched it yet. Pretty? I'm running out of space. I don't know if it's gonna show up. Oh, it is really pretty, at least in person. I like that. Okay, so I'm super excited to try this out. And then I went to Sephora yesterday because I really wanted to try the new Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard amazing things about it. Everyone's like, oh my God, it's like a glue for your foundation. It's amazing, it's the best. And I was like, awesome, I'm gonna get it. And then I heard a few people say, oh, it was good, but it broke me out really bad. And I was like, ooh, okay, not so interested. And then I heard more reviews again that were like, this is the best. So I was like, okay, they have a mini size, I'll go in, spend the 15 bucks on the mini, whatever. I went in, they didn't have the mini. They only had the full size. So I bought it, obviously. The packaging is so cool. I'm really hoping it doesn't break me out because I felt it in store and it was like, it felt like glue, which could be a bad thing, but I'm hoping it means good things. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it soon. And then I walked out of Sephora and everything was fine. And then I was like, I gotta go back in because I saw something, a Sephora favorite set, and I'm really bad at passing those up. And I was like, you don't need it. And then I went back in, I was like, you probably need it. Okay, it is the Summer Essentials set, and it's exclusively at Sephora and JCPenney, which that's the only Sephora I have in Savannah, Georgia. I'll open it up and show you all the products just like the other Sephora favorite set, but again, it looks like there's a lot of great stuff in here. I am a little nervous though because I just ordered a different like summer essential set online and it looks like it might have some of the same stuff. So I am gonna have to investigate that further because I'm like, do I need both? Maybe, probably, I don't know. I know both come with a Fenty Beauty mini bronzer in Shady Biz, and I don't need two of them. We'll see what happens with that, but I'll show you what it looks like inside. The Summer Essentials set includes a mini Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Shady Biz, a mini Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, a Marc Jacobs Beauty Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter in 50 Do You, a Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Work, a Way Air Dry Foam, I'm guessing that's a mousse, yeah, mousse, cool, a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Glass Eyeshadow in Sweet Life, that looks really pretty, I thought it was a lip gloss, I'm not gonna lie, and then a mini Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It retails for $36, values $84. I think you get your money's worth because of the brands in here. And I'm excited to try most of these, so worth it. Last thing I picked up is this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow set. I don't know what you want to call it. It comes with a full-size brow wiz and then a mini of their new Dip Brow Gel, which I've really been wanting to try. I got the shade Dark Brown. That's what shade I am in brow wiz, so I'm hoping the Dip Brow is the same. So I paid $25. It said it's only a $30 value, which I believe the brow wiz retails for $21, and then I guess the mini, they're just valuing that at a couple bucks. Either way, I'm excited to try it. I think I'm going to film tomorrow and do a full face of first impressions using a lot of these and some other stuff that I've gotten that I haven't tried yet, so we'll see how it all works. Oh, I almost forgot. I didn't buy this, I didn't haul this, but there's a new brand, Beauty Paint. And this is their first palette. It's called the Pom Pom Springs palette. And I already swatched it. I'll insert swatches somewhere on the screen. I'm really impressed by how they swatched just so beautifully. So I'll use this in that video tomorrow too to get a feel for how I like the formula, to see how it performs. But I know this palette's launching, I think June 1st, and it's out for pre-order right now if you're interested. But I'm gonna give it a try tomorrow and see how I like it. Anyways, that is it, you guys. That is my most recent haul. Thank you guys so much for being here, like always. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, sorry you watched it. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.